Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Ash, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be back here with you today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you doing?
I am feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great. I'm very excited about our topic for today.
Oh, yes. It's a topic that so many English learners ask about. It's a very big feeling.
A big feeling? Okay, I'm curious. What is it?
Today, we're talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes, that is the number one problem I hear from so many people.
Me too. They say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain stops.
Yes, the words are gone.
It feels stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to share powerful and practical tips to help you unlock your English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very important episode.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small, friendly request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you like our podcast and you're learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow and helps other English learners find us.
And please click that subscribe button for Mr. English Ash. That way you'll never miss our new episodes.
Thank you all so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Emily, I'm ready. My voice is locked. How do I find the key?
The first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand English. Isn't that good?
Understanding is wonderful. That's step one. But you need to change your listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you're doing other things, cleaning, driving, and English is in the background. You understand, but you're not focused.
Ah, yes, I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen and repeat. There's a technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly. You become the shadow of the speaker. Listen to a short clip and try to repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time? Wow, that sounds difficult.
It can be, so start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat it.
Okay, listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
And when you feel confident, try speaking with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect. You're training your ears and mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. Active listening and shadowing. What's next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode? What is that? Like a secret superhero?
Yes, it's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? Ugh, that's hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. Narrate your day.
Narrate? You mean say what I'm doing?
Yes, for example, I'm making coffee now. I need a cup. Where's the milk?
Oh, I can do that. Like, I'm sitting in a studio. I'm talking to Emily. I'm happy.
Exactly. It feels silly at first, but it's powerful because it forces your brain to find words and produce English.
But what if I don't know the words? I stop because I'm searching.
That's a perfect question. Tip number 3, Stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No, stop memorizing lists like cat, dog, book. Instead, learn chunks, useful phrases, or sentence starters.
Chunks, like a chunk of cake.
Kind of. For example, instead of just point, learn that's a good point. Instead of mean, learn you know what I mean?
Oh, these are ready-to-use tools. I don't have to build the sentence myself.
Exactly. Chunks make you sound natural and give your brain time to think.
Okay, shadowing, talking to myself, learning chunks. What's next?
You must speak every single day.
Every day? But Emily, I'm busy, work, tired, no time.
It doesn't have to be an hour. Even 5 minutes a day is better than 2 hours on Saturday. Speaking is like playing the piano. You must practice often to keep the English muscle active.
Okay, but who do I talk to? I'm shy. I don't live in an English-speaking country.
Talk to your phone. Use the voice recorder app.
Oh no, I hate my voice. My accent sounds bad.
No, your accent is you. Record yourself answering simple questions like, "What did I do today?" Then listen back. You'll notice words you said well and words to practice.
So I'm my own teacher.
Exactly. No pressure, no audience, just you and your phone. And here's another fun one. Role play.
Role play? Like in a movie?
Yes, imagine you're in a restaurant, an airport, or a job interview.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes, or to your pet. Pretend you're both people.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir. What would you like to order?
I'd like a pizza, please.
And to drink?
I'll have water.
Perfect. It trains your brain to react in English and prevents freezing in real life.
Ah, yes, freezing, the big monster. And speaking of monsters, here's the biggest one, the fear of mistakes.
Yes, I'm afraid my grammar is wrong or people will laugh at me.
Everyone feels that way. But here's the secret. Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No, Emily. Mistakes are red pens on my test.
In speaking, mistakes are proof that you're trying, that you're brave. Fluency comes after mistakes, not before.
Wow. So I should just speak even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
That takes the stress away. What's the final tip?
Practice responding. Conversations are two-way. Listen, speak, listen, speak.
That's the hard, fast part.
Yes, so practice it. Use an AI chatbot or a study partner. Train your brain to reply, not just to listen.
Okay, quick review. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself. Learn chunks, not single words. Speak every day. Record your voice. Do role plays. Make friends with your mistakes. Practice responding.
Perfect summary.
Thank you, Emily. I feel motivated. I feel like I can speak.
You can speak, Paul. You speak beautifully.
Thank you. These are very practical ideas.
And thank you all for listening today. We hope these tips help you unlock your English voice.
Remember, understanding is wonderful, but your voice is the bridge to connection. Speak every day, even if it's imperfect. That's how fluency begins.
Before you go, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to Mr. English Ash, and share it with a friend who feels stuck.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first?
We love reading your answers. Until next time, everyone, keep practicing.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.